Hey, what's up everybody? This is Easy CNC. Today we're going to do some simple lathe toolpaths in Fusion 360. Hope you guys can find some use out of this video, so let's get going. Okay, so we go with turning face, select a tool, select our 30 thou insert radius tool. It's a good roughing tool. Surface feet 750, maximum spindle speed 2500. Whoops, 750 surface feet, max spindle 2500. It's very important. You always want to put in your max spindle speed. You don't want it spinning out of control on you. 10 thou chip load. Okay. Check the geometry. Check the passes. Looks good. We'll simulate it. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. So turning profile. Select a tool. Select our roughing insert, 30 thou radius. $750 surface feet, max spindles 2500, 15 thou chip load. These are speeds and feeds we got directly from our box of inserts. Okay. Check our passes. You do not need a finish pass with this tool because we'll be using a different tool for the finish. We'll leave about 4 thou radially and 0 axially. Okay, that looks good. Except it's taking too many passes. We can go about 100 thou with this insert. So we're going to switch this number that I think says 39 thou and 3/10. We'll switch that to 100 thou. That looks a lot better. Next, we'll go to turn profile, select a different tool, our finishing tool with the 8 thou radius. Go back down to speeds and feeds, 750 surface feet, max spindle 2500. Cutting feed rate a little bit slower. We'll go 5 thou. 5 thou chip load, 5 thou chip load, okay. Go back to passes. We'll turn roughing passes off. Hit OK. Now we'll simulate the whole thing. Here we go. There's our face pass. Here's our roughing pass. 100 thou step down. That's what I like to see. And there's our finish pass. All right. Awesome. There's our simple lathe toolpath video. We'll be posting some more lathe stuff here pretty soon, so be on the lookout and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tutorials. Thanks.